Hello everybody, this tutorial is going to cover some tips for searching Supreme Court rulings in the SIRS issue researcher. I'm going to begin by looking in by clicking in my search box here, and I could go ahead and type in my topic. So if I'm interested in gay marriage, I'm going to go ahead and type in gay marriage. I'm also going to put some quotation marks around gay marriage. This keeps it as a phrase, and so I'm searching for the phrase gay marriage and not all the other iterations of. By using the word and, I'm going to attach Supreme Court decisions to that. Now I can come over here to the search button. So 374 results. I'm getting a lot of different types of information. I have newspapers, magazines, government sources, scholarly journals. I'm going to click on government sources, and what this does is it indicates that I'm interested in rulings. Here's a Supreme Court of the United States ruling. Here are more government documents as well. If I click on the title of the article, actually open it up. Now this does indeed look like a ruling. I can also look at some of the text in the syllabus or the summary up above and decide if this is something that I want to use. I can also save this as a PDF or save it to my cloud, cite it, print it, and email it. One of the other benefits of using the SIRS researcher is to provide a little more context if you want to pull in maybe a newspaper or a magazine article or some other analysis of the ruling. But this is the whole document. Now I want to go down all the way to the bottom. This is a very long document. This is going to provide all the dissenting opinions and any other comments on the holding on the legal document. I'm still scrolling, but what SIRS provides all the way down to the bottom are these related subjects, and these tiles right here are ways to click around. Right here, this U.S. Supreme Court decisions landmark. I might click here, and what it does is it inserts this language, this subject, U.S. Supreme Court decisions, landmark, into my search box. Now I'm down to 57, and if you're still looking for something that maybe had to do with gay marriage, and you wanted to refine it to just a landmark decision, I could click here, and now I've got landmark rulings, which differ in that these were Supreme Court rulings that really changed the course of society and had huge lasting impact. So a little bit complicated, but follow those tiles. Look toward the bottom of your text, and also use these refining facets over on your left-hand side to narrow your results.